Hello guys, I'm Eunice. You're welcome to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. So much has been happening in the country, and as usual, it's my duty to bring you to them. Today's episode, we'll be talking about a lady who was denied access into an Abuja lodge for being without a man. An Abuja lounge have reportedly denied ladies entry because they had no female companion. A Nigerian lady identified as Lydia narrated how she and her friend were denied entry into a lounge because they had no male companion. According to her, they were initially refused entry into the lounge because they had no male companion, only for the bouncer to later reveal that the action was taken simply because management felt they wouldn't be able to pay for their drinks. I'm so livid. My friends and I walked into a lounge and they refused to let us in because there's a policy that doesn't let women in without a male champion. This is freaking 2019. Women with thriving careers can't hang out and have fun in Abuja without a man. Wow. Guys, do you think that was enough reason? Or what do you think about this? This is going to be an issue very soon, that we women won't be able to go out or hang out again without a man. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.